Having trouble with your HP docking station? Here's how to quickly check if it's functioning correctly. First, do a visual inspection. Ensure all cables are securely connected and undamaged. Check for the power LED. It should be lit. Next, test individual ports by plugging in known good devices like a mouse or USB drive. If those work, the basic functionality is there. If not, or if the LED isn't on, move to the next step. If your monitor isn't displaying anything, try a different cable, update your graphics drivers, and test with another monitor, as this resolves 85% of no video output issues. If basic checks fail, start with updating the docking station's firmware through the HP website. This resolves many compatibility issues. Check if the dock is recognized using Device Manager on Windows or System Report on macOS. If you see a device not recognized error, reinstall the drivers from HP's website. For persistent issues, use HP Support Assistant for automated checks and diagnostics. Be aware that third-party device compatibility, especially with non-HP laptops, can cause issues. If problems continue, check HP forums or contact support for specific error codes and advanced diagnostics.